Okay, hey guys, welcome to Kash. I can't. Good morning, good night, and merhaba. This morning we are going to go to Kash, Turkey, from Antalya, Turkey, which means we had to wake up at 6 a.m. I know, it was horrible. But thankfully, now we're going to head to the bus station, maybe get a Turkish coffee, and enjoy the ride. I literally have 3 bags for like a week trip, which is like unnecessary. Camera bag, 2 cameras, my purse with my passport, valuable information. The suitcase, it's Artem's, but it's mostly mine. And then the backpack with all my stuff. It's actually all of Todd's things, and I'm just covering for him, so. Where are we going today?
To Kash.
How do you spell it?
Kash, K-A-Sh.
Good job. Alright, so we made it to the bus station. Most of these buses will take you everywhere you need to go. To ask for a ticket, it's bilet. I will put it on the slide. Unfortunately, we cannot take these kedis, or that's kedi, but super easy. Super easy, it's simple. So we just got here 20 minutes before. You can go ahead and get here probably up to like 10-ish minutes before, but you can't guarantee that you'll get a ticket. 65 Turkish lira. You can just like say like good night and merhaba, like good morning, hello, and then you just ask for numbers of the tickets you want. There's beer, 2, 4, 5, and bilet. Bilet. How to say the tickets?
Bilet.
Bilet. I keep saying flat. Okay, so we just arrived. We literally arrived at 11:40, and now we are catching our next bus. It leaves at 12, right?
Yeah, that's
12, 80 Turkish lira per person, so 320 Turkish lira in total. Köpek is free, so that's nice. Kash and Fethiye. You can go, oh, Khmer, my favorite. Your stop, have you ever been to Khmer?
What is it?
It's like
Yeah, I've been there 2 times.
Oh shit, Blake! It's a bathroom break! It's a bathroom break! Todd is free, thankfully. Teşekkür ederim. And yeah, we're stocking up on snacks, doing a quick bathroom break, and then we are on to Kash. For newcomers to Turkey, once your phone has been in the country for 30 days with a SIM card, if it accesses the IMEI number, this means that your phone will turn off within 3 months, or you'll have to purchase a hotspot like this. I can put mine in the description because it's been perfect. Really easy to use, super easy setup, hasn't let me down, long battery life. So this is something that I would definitely recommend grabbing. You can connect up to 4 devices on this thing, even your laptop. This and a power bank will save your life, especially for bus travel when you're not sure where you're going, or if you're traveling as a single female. It's a good investment. And then this bus is gonna be a little bit. It's gonna take about 4 hours, but your girl can sleep on buses like it's nobody's business, so I will be sleeping on the bus. Here is my favorite city ever in Turkey. Tells me. The first bus for like another 3 hours. Normally I can sleep on buses.
I will be sleeping on the bus.
This bus I cannot. But the view has been great. Also the price is nice. Like you can't beat it. So literally we're going to Kash for a grand total of 80 plus 60 Turkish lira. So that's nice. Hello everyone, welcome to Kash. So Kash is a small town about 4 hours away by bus from Antalya. The first day in town, we quickly jumped in the ocean. I was hesitant at first. And then we saw where our hotel was, went around the town, found some food places, and figured out where everything was. Oh, Yaroslav and Arts have got the matching neons. Yo, and the shirts.
Get twins over here.
So this is the main square of the old town, but honestly everything here looks like it's out of a movie. It looks like it's a little bit Greek, but also has like a bit of like a Cinderella, Snow White, Sleeping Beauty feel. Well, that doesn't make any sense, but you know what I mean. That was the first day, kind of getting accustomed with the town. The first night, after we got all dinner together, we went ahead and we went out drinking for a bit. It was fun. We went to a few different places. The next day, we were planning to rent a car. However, our comrade Blake had a food poisoning or alcohol poisoning. We don't know. So the whole next day on day 2 was basically wasted by us just working all day and then getting some good seafood dinner. Yeah, work as usual, right boys?
Yeah, of course.
Look at all the cheese. Oh, that one looks a little bit suspect. One of my favorite things about Alanya is the hidden coffee shops. This one's in the back of an alley. Oh, there's a dog. I will be on top of this mountain at 7 a.m. It's real. Wow, there's even little tombs up there. You see? One of my favorite things about Turkey. Look at this cat. This cat has a better life than me. Look at their view. Go, go, go. Typical Vietnamese dog. Going after the kofta. Look at the stairs inside the restaurant. Okay, something to keep in mind is to always make sure that there are prices written when you order things. Otherwise, you will get the English menu and you will get charged like double the price. Okay, watch this view. It's really crazy. Like, what? It's only getting more beautiful. Literally just got better. Yeah, it's because of Yaroslav. You can see, like, it looks like it's raining on the boats here. But look how it's pretty. Oh, I can't tell. One really cool thing that I like is all the little like balconies. I know this one's not the best example, but all the flowers and the blue and the white. Like, look at that. Look at how patient. So patient. Good boy. This is the secret entrance by Blue House. Here. And then this really cute little store called Papilio. Okay guys, day 3. Day 3 went off smoother than the first 2 days. We're gonna rent a nice car today, go see some of the historic sites, and go from there. However, we had another comrade down, Yaroslav. He has since recovered and is alive. You can donate to his PayPal below for his medical expenses. Anyways, in the morning, we woke up a little bit earlier, around 9, to go ahead and go rent a rental car. We already arranged it last night. It's better to arrange further in advance because then you can haggle with people. We didn't really need to. There's only one of us that can drive, so we had to get an automatic. Manual would be much cheaper. So basically what you would do is you would go, you would ask for a car, you would provide your driver's license, and then also you would provide your passport, and they will hold it for the day until you return it. Most of the time you can rent a car in the morning at 9 a.m., bring it back around 10 p.m. This costs 400 Turkish lira. Most of the time it should cost you about 200 to 300 Turkish lira, which is around $25 for the day. Insurance is included, fuel is not. So that's something to keep in mind. Make sure you always do a scan of the car. Check to make sure there's any dents on it, anything like that, so you can't get billed for it later. Also make sure you have everyone in the car.
Yeah.
I think we're good to go. This is not the biggest view you've ever seen.
Out the window and then turn the car.
And then we got gas, which Blake got. He spent over 800 Turkish lira on gas and used like not even a quarter tank of it. But the day went off by us driving directly to Santos, the ancient city. It's actually the oldest Lycian city in history. It was the capital.
So this is where they filmed the movie Gladiator with Russell Crowe.
Fight! 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 But we actually thought that this other place named Tlos, T-L-O-S, was actually way more interesting. Everyone goes to Santos. This is an ancient city called Tlos, and it's literally free, and it's way cooler. Look at this. Like, I don't want to compare ancient cities, but if we're talking ancient, look. How cool. There was bathhouses, there was the cliff face with the Turkish flag. They had even some Lycian tombs there. So that was really interesting. Chariot area. And then after we went to the gorge, we went and we got food. Beautiful place, horrible food. Really horrible food. There is a place next to the place we went, which I will attach for you, that is supposedly much better, same atmosphere. And then we went up to Saklikent Gorge, where is that big canyon. It looks similar to the Narrows in Utah. It is forbidden to consume alcohol and nuts in the field. It's perfect for you, Blake.
Don't eat nuts.
We ended up going a little bit further past this gorge, about 4 kilometers, and there is a really cool natural waterfall there. This water is literally coming out of the tree. Look. What a good place to have chai. And the waterfall is back here somewhere. So, if you want to go in this canyon, they give you these cool little shoes for like 10 laris. We made it! Yes! Look at how lush it is. We got really lucky by going around 10:30, 11. We were actually like the only ones at the end of the waterfall. As we were taking photos and videos, a whole tour group of people showed up. So that was interesting. We got really lucky for that. The gorge was amazing. However, there are some places in the gorge where the water gets quite high, and you have to be pretty careful. I wouldn't recommend doing it by yourself, to be honest, at like past the normal area, because there were some spots where the rapids would hit, and then if you're not with someone to help pull you over rocks, it can get a little bit dicey. So that was cool. I brought Todd with me the whole time. We just conquered the canyon. It's beautiful. Look at my fingers though. Yeah, Todd did so good. He did so good. After the gorge, we went to Tlos, which I explained earlier. After that, we went to Calis Beach to go swimming. Turkish tip, beaches after 5, almost empty, okay? Everyone wants that tan, everyone wants that like glow, and there was like basically no one there. There was 3 people, and they all left while we were there. And we drank tea with kanka up in the restaurant, and then we headed home, and we drove home watching the sunset, singing Sweet Home Alabama, basically. That was day 3. Start of day 4. Today, we are packing up all of our stuff, and we're going to go ahead and head to Fethiye. Here's our villa for the next few days. Nice living room, kitchen. Oh, Todd, give me the tour, mate. Oh my gosh, it's 3 floors? Wow. There's a bathtub and a crib. How did they know that I was pregnant? Another room. Oh my god, look at this baby bed. This is Todd's room.
Yeah.
Last floor.
I hope there's going to be like a nice view.
This is like the chilling smoking spot. Oh, nice! Even more beds. Yeah.
Looks like
And a washing machine. Look at the shower. Yaroslav, go in the shower.
Oh
I don't.
my gosh, it's so...
It's a full
Yeah. I can show only parts of my body.
It's a store run. Oh. His first time. You lost your taxi virginity, Blake.
So cool.
So our cards basically look like college students. Chips, wine, snacks, and grill and fraternity party. But don't worry, we have salad. So what do you think the total is going to be?
3,045.
3,046.
Yaroslav, how much do you think all of this haul was? Good job! Yeah, 2,300. This is the beach in Fethiye. This is called Calis Beach. Really nice area. You can see it's raining in the distance over there.
I just don't know why. I mean, like, I don't touch them. I don't do anything. Why?
Because they can. They're cats. They do what the fuck they want.
Fethiye's park is the coolest. There's literally a skate park. These are like trampolines. There's hammocks over here, but look at all these squirrels. There's so many. You guys, this is the coolest park I've literally ever seen. What is this? We are never leaving. Oh yeah. This is where the fish market is in Fethiye. It's the local fish market. So there's a few different entrances. If you enter through here, there's all different types of restaurants. You can see there's so many different types. Here's the fish from Mamma Mia. Look at that thing. So you can either order from the restaurants and they will cook it for you, or you can order directly from the fishermen and they bring it new and fresh every time. So this is what the fish market looks like here behind me. You can see all the restaurants in the background as well. We also today, me and Ilya, we went together, we booked a boat tour for Butterfly Valley and a few other cool spots. We had to buy our own snorkels and our own shoes, but it's okay because right now there is like monkeypox going around, so don't really want to be putting your mouth on other people's mouths. You have the whole boat to yourself. The boat tour was 300 Turkish lira, and it picks us up from our hotel and it will take us to like near to Oludeniz, and from Oludeniz we'll be on the boat from 9 a.m. until 6 p.m. and it will drop us back off at our hotel.